In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your headers scroll with your site in Wix Studio, a task that's not only simple, but also adds a dynamic touch to your website. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, following these steps will ensure that your header stays in view as visitors navigate your site. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Wix website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged in and set up, make sure you're in the editor for the specific page you're looking to adjust. Often the first thing you will notice is the design view of your page with various editing options available for customization. Now, as you continue, locate the top right corner of your page within the editor interface. This is where you'll find options to modify your page's structure, including the header. Headers are crucial for setting the tone of your website and maintaining consistency across your pages. The next step is to click directly on the header itself. You'll see the header section become highlighted, indicating that it's selected and ready for modification. This is your gateway to customizing your header's properties and ensuring it matches the overall layout and aesthetic goals of your site. After clicking on the header, look for the More Actions option. This dropdown is the toolbox of additional features and modifications you can apply to the header. Click on it to expand further settings that can give you greater control over your header's behavior. From the More Actions menu, click on Change Header Design. This option allows you to delve into various design adjustments beyond static appearance controls. It's here where header scroll settings come into play, enabling you to create a fluid, user-friendly navigation experience for your visitors. Continue by selecting the Scroll option within the header design settings. This option is pivotal, as it dictates how the header interacts as users navigate through your content. By activating the scroll setting, your header can either become fixed or stay visible at the top of the page as users scroll down. Lastly, adjust your scroll settings according to your preference. Here, you can experiment with different settings to find the perfect scrolling effect. Whether your goal is a seamless transition or a more pronounced effect, these settings offer a multitude of possibilities. Test various configurations to achieve the desired look and ensure compatibility across different devices. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully make your header scroll with your site in Wix Studio, enhancing the user experience and maintaining a cohesive look. Make sure to preview and publish your changes to see them in action. Thank you for watching and happy designing.